Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We just got word. It's a Category 4 hurricane. It's a Category 4 hurricane.
Oh my gosh! Look at this, guys! 125 mile-an-hour winds, 100 plus. Gusts are like, I got buildings, I got roofs coming off, I got buildings smashing. But the North Outlaw is approaching our location just southeast of me, about 5 miles now. Look behind me, it's starting to split. Beams are starting to separate. I can see there's big cracks now. It's on the I-beams on the great posts, they're starting to lift off. Oh gosh, the rust coming off behind me, the rust coming off behind me. The whole roof coming off. We're gonna be in trouble in a second. The roof behind me's coming off. The roof on our building's coming off.
Residents still not allowed back into the city, this taking an emotional toll on everyone as the rebuilding process is just beginning. A usually lively, quaint town, now quiet and left in pieces.
The city of Port Aransas has sustained significant and catastrophic damage.
Brought to tears as their own homes were destroyed in the hurricane. Port Aransas city officials say starting Monday, they will have limited access into the city for residents over 18 years old with a Port Aransas license. Days after that, hopeful to let all residents back in. Okay, and the mayor did say one thing and made it very clear. Harvey, you can batter our town, but not our people.
Looks like it's under construction. A lot of progress has been made since
What do we got there? Is that Noah working?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's going on? What are you working on, Noah? Talk to us.
I'm doing the trim. We're getting ready to do the California corner. This right here.
Okay, show me what you're doing.
So pretty much, once I cut this piece here, this will go here like this, and then this will connect to it right here.
You get done with the trim work today. How long before we get this place here in
I say
Harvey?
this one should be done by the end of the week.
All right, 1 week. So tell me, how excited are you about getting Beachgate opened back up again completely? And
It's just gone by so fast, but it was so overwhelming that now it's getting back to a little bit normal, I would say.
Usually if I get some on my hand, I just wipe it on the shoulder. Usually it'd be blacker than like a year. Jackson Hog.
Really warm. This is the other pool, the original pool, number one. Day one of move-in to the condo. So here's Beachgate 2. It's almost ready. It's almost ready to go. Final touches on 237. Beautiful beach view. Inside. It's open. Let's see what's going on. Oh, hi there. Who do we have here?
My name's Miranda.
Hi, Miranda. Tell me what's going on.
It's a regular Sunday, a lot of checkouts, but quite a few check-ins for Sunday. At least we're doing a little special. They check in on Sundays, so that seems to be keeping business up for us. We've made a lot of progress as far as getting the buildings open and being able to provide places for people to come and have their vacations and enjoy their time.
Oh man, it's been quite a long year, that's for sure. Sean and I were actually here on the ground just a couple days after the hurricane hit, cleaning up property, getting things ready. We actually lived here for 3 weeks without any electricity or sewage. So we've seen the worst of it, and now we've come out through it all and seen the best of it.
Hey, y'all, I'm Sean.
Well, talk to me.
They're long, but a fast year.
Okay.
They were the fastest ever we've had, time-wise, but it's been one of the longest as far as rebuilding, gutting everything, then rebuilding, plus dealing with, guest satisfaction while we got construction going on as well. That's been interesting, but it's been a great year though.
Oh, Danielle definitely wanted to get a head start on Halloween.
What's wrong?
Yeah, got a little bit of our history, some guest letters, and they're talking about how happy they were to stay with us, so that's always nice to do.
Danielle, tell me how long you've been involved with Beachgate.
5 years.
5 years. Yeah, you've been a staple here in the front office. Are you excited?
Yes. I'm ready for all the buildings to be back open and then we can be back to normal.
Got the holidays coming up and Winter Texans, of course, so I'm starting to get to
Winter Texans.
Yeah, I'm starting to get to talk to them, and they seem like a fun bunch, and I've heard a lot of great things about them, so I'm very excited to be able to start to meet them.
I don't know how to feel yet, we're in this construction crew, but at the same instance, we're happy to see them go, if that makes sense.
Gotta love the game.
Yeah.